Guten Morgen, good morning. This is S.G.M. Travel Vlogs, exploring Germany. I'm here in the Black Forest in SCHRAMBERG. Look at here in my backside is the big church, a Catholic church here. And I am here walking down the city center. Look at my right side, the local houses of the German, and the church in this right side. The houses is on the top of the mountain. And also here in my right side, beautiful buildings here. Look at the houses. The houses is situated on the top of the forest. It is called Black Forest because this area, this city, it is surrounded with high mountains and high trees. Look at here, everywhere is surrounded with high forests. Look, and in the other side, on the top of this there is a building, an old castle, and in the night it served as a tower because there is a light. And in here there is trees, beautiful winter trees. The leaves are already falling because already winter season in Germany. And here again, the houses is over there. Now I will go down to the city center. Look at on my backside. So here, look at the forest, the trees. Look at the high forest. So I'm going to cross the road now. Look at the houses over there in the mountain. We will stop for a while. That is the houses of the top of the mountain. And in here, in the other side, it's also forest. Look at the high forest. And here is the bus stop. This one, the Q's, is a bus stop here in SCHRAMBERG, the city bus stop. Look at here. This is the centrum. As you can see in my left side, this is the high forest or high mountains. On the top of it is old castle of the king and queens. So we will stroll around here. And here is also one of the beautiful buildings here. Look, this is a Volksbank. Look at the beautiful buildings here on my right side. I am walking here down the city center. Look at the buildings. This building is a Volksbank, the bank here in Germany. And also, this is one of the oldest building here. Look, it's a pointed type. Also here, that is the typical German building with the small, the rooftop, like a small houses there. Look at the beautiful tree. In this area, this is the commercial area of the city center here in the SCHRAMBERG, Baden-Württemberg. This is the garment shop here. Along the side is a garment shop. But right now it is closed because it is Sunday, it's holiday, it's off. So I will just take you along to this beautiful city center of SCHRAMBERG. And also here is another beautiful building. What is this? Yeah, this is also a beautiful building here. So look at on my backside the beautiful commercial shops. And here, this one is also a beautiful building. And here is a boutique. Look at here, the models here. Look, and this one. So if I am here in Germany, I used to walk down here in the city center just to have an exercise. And look at here, how beautiful sunglasses. And also here, beautiful winter clothes for the winter. Very beautiful design. And this one is a perfumery. And also here, look, the beautiful winter clothes for the men. So let's walk down. And this is also another beautiful building here. Look, it's golden color and brown. This is typical German building. Look at here, and this is the municipality here. You can see the different flags. This is on the back side is the flag of the France, the Swiss, the Germany, and the flag of the European Union. And here is the commercial bank here. It's also a beautiful building. This is the fountain. There is a small young boy. And this is a central pharmacy or universal pharmacy. So that is, in this area is a commercial area of the city center. And here is also a beautiful clothes for the carnival. Look. So I will go down to show you more beautiful views here in the SCHRAMBERG, Germany. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, just give a thumbs up. give a comments, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated with all my videos. Just click my playlist S.G.M travel blog so that you will find all my videos about the Black Forest, all my videos about my travel blog for the Black Forest. Look at here, it's also a beautiful building. Also this one is a unique building. The roots of the plants is attached to the house. Look. And this one, in my left side, it's called. This one is the Catholic Church. This is the tower. This is the St. Mary's Catholic Church here in SCHRAMBERG. And we will see the running water here. Look at here. This running water is coming from the mountain, from the waterfalls. Very beautiful. And look at here. The house here is coated with the roots of the trees, of the plants. Very beautiful. It's unique. And look at the church. And here. So if you have not visited yet the Germany, especially Black Forest, just add in your bucket list. If you are planning to visit in summer, on spring, so you can find beautiful views here. Very, very beautiful views of the nature, because Black Forest is one of the tourist destination in Germany. Look at the water here. This stream is coming from the forest. And this is the church, Catholic Church, this one. So we will move forward so that you can see another beautiful view of the Black Forest. Look at here, from the right side is the forest. The region is called Black Forest because it is surrounded with forest. Look, everywhere is forest. And the city is located below the forest. Look at the forest in my right side. And on the left side again, look. So that is why it is called the Black Forest. And here is the huge pine tree. It's a huge pine tree. And here is the music school here on my left side. Music school. Look, I'm moving down. So look at the forest again. The houses is on the top. So we will move forward so that you can see another view. I am now under the bridge because I passed by. I crossed the bridge so that I will go in another side of the Black Forest. Look at the forest and the houses. Traditional German houses. We will see the fountain, the waterfalls here in the Black Forest. Look at the forest, the trees, even if it is already winter, the trees are still beautiful. And the church is the center of attraction here in the city. And look at the waterfalls. This is the SCHRAMBERG Black Forest in Germany. Woo, very cold. Look at the waterfalls. It's so relaxing, very beautiful sounds. So if you're here in Germany, you will feel relaxed looking up the sky with the birds and beautiful mountains, beautiful houses surround here, and this beautiful, amazing waterfalls from the mountain, from the forest. Look. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up and share this video. Dankeschön. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa aking YouTube channel. Maraming salamat sa mga lahat ng mga Pilipino na sumusuporta and to all my subscribers around the world. Happy weekend to everyone. Ciao. Bye-bye. This is S.G.M. Creations, Travels, and Lifestyles.